Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Jetta battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a battery post brush. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your Jetta is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your Jetta's battery, which is usually under the hood but can sometimes be in the trunk. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, using your 10mm wrench to prevent electrical shorts. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Carefully remove any hold-down clamps. Use a battery strap or handle to lift the old battery out, as it can be quite heavy. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Fasten any hold-down clamps to prevent movement. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both firmly with your wrench. For the final steps, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent rust and ensures a longer lifespan for your new battery. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure, preventing any loose contacts. Now, start your VW Jetta to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, like your radio or clock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.